So here we are on Palm Cove Beach. As you can see, the beautiful palms. That's why Captain Cook called it Palm Cove. He did pop in just for a little rest. He and his crew aboard the Endeavour in 1770. Then much later came a chap called Dalrymple, and he arrived with a crew full of people, and the Aborigines, who were still thriving in 1874, gave them hell, and there was a fight broke out, and Dalrymple had to retreat. So for once, the Aborigines had won. Anyway, this beach just goes as far as the eye can see. Absolutely magnificent. In Australia, we actually do have 7,000 beaches, and this is just one of them. Here we are on Palm Cove Beach. We've just finished our breakfast, and we have had a bowl of Uncle Toby's and some delicious pineapple from Queensland with a cup of tea. And now we're going to go and talk a little bit about Palm Cove.